Hey YouTube, I am back with another video. What y'all think I'm about to do? Install a wig. Yes, I'm about to install my wig. I have been trying to blend this a little more because I just feel like I don't want to glue it down. I don't want to glue the cap down because I have a closure wig. I left my edges out. And I'm using two different colors to try to get my skin tone color. It looks a little light because of the lightening, but I'm using Fenty Beauty in the color like 480. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking in this video. I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm doing. I think that's about good enough, right? It's fine. I got some alcohol to clean my forehead. I'm gonna take some alcohol on here and just clean my forehead really good so the glue can stick. Now I'm looking in my mirror if y'all wonder what I'm looking at. I'm looking in my mirror. Okay. Oh, I got some, it's my wig. I'm so excited to install this wig. I'm scared, nervous. This is my first time trying loosely wave hair. Okay, let's take it off the dome head. Okay. Okay, so right here, all I am doing now is bringing the wig forward and applying the wig where I want it to into my likings. I am also moving like my baby hairs out of the way, so when I go to cut the lace, they wouldn't be in the way, and I'm just pushing my lace into the glue really good. I did do 3 layers of glue. Just let me know in the comments if this video was helpful or not. And I'm just positioning the wig, like I said, where I want it and how I like it. So now I am I'm just cutting the lace in the middle first. You see I made two little sections where I want to cut it. I'm going in and cutting it. Usually I do use a razor for this, but I couldn't find my razor, so I just cut it with scissors. And I don't cut straight because I don't want that line of demarcation. I just want it, to look natural as possible. This was a transparent lace, and I should have darkened it more, as you see, but I'm gonna fix that with some foundation. I meant to darken it before I applied the lace because it's still kind of light and I don't like that, but I will go in later and try to fix it. Okay, YouTube, I got it to my liking. I just gotta flatten it. Set the bottom right in front of the camera. And I am recording on my iPhone, so just work with me. I need to go in and have some baby hairs and glue it down some more, because you can't wear curly hair without baby hairs. So let's wet this side to look like this side, okay? Let's take some mousse. I'm just really trying to see like where I want to place my baby hairs. Okay, YouTube, I created some baby hairs. As you see, I got let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post. And I'm gonna start doing some shout outs for people who for new subscribers and everything. So yes, please subscribe to my channel.